I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to compare the display between the Realme X7 Max versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So as friends, this is a display comparison which I'll be doing between both phones. So let's see which phone has got the better kind of display and what kind of hardware differences we can actually identify between both smartphones. So a lot of users, they are really confused whether to buy the Max model or should they go for the X Pro model or not, and that is the reason why a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question: can you make a lot of comparison between both phones, Max and the Pro, so the people will be able to decide whether which phone to buy and why as well. So that is the reason I started to do this kind of comparison. So let's see friends, which phone has what kind of hardware specifications. So first let me try to quickly show you exactly what phones I'm trying to use, what type of models as well. As you can clearly see friends, Realme X7 Pro and the Realme X7 Max as well. So let's see which phone has what type of hardware thing. So is the gallery, let me try to quickly show you the specifications, which phone has what type of screen. And both phones, they do have the Super AMOLED screen size, as you can see, and 120Hz refresh rate. Both are kind of 120Hz only, and both phones, they do have slightly different in terms of the screen sizes, 6.55 inches versus 6.43 inches, so slightly a small profile when you compare with the Realme X7 Pro device. So some people, they do love big displays, some people love small displays. It depends upon the type of user to user. So it's really comfortable to hold the Realme X7 Max. That is what I did feel, because of really lightweight as well. And we do have something special, which is a Dragon Trail glass protection when compared with the Gorilla Glass 5 protection. That is quite differences which we did see in terms of the display properties. So now we got to know the exact hardware differences. Now let me try to explore the settings, which phone has what type of options in the customization. Let me try to show you exactly the settings, and if you go try to click the more option, so you do have the same kind of screen color mode. Let me try to quickly open, and both phones are running the same kind of Realme UI 2.0 version, so it should not be much kind of difference. So right now I'm selecting the both same options in both phones, and there is the extra option which is called the bright HDR video mode, which come along with the Realme UI 2.0 in this Realme X7 Max. And the Realme X7 Pro, I did not see that option, but this option I did see in the Realme X2 Pro, not in the X7 Pro. X2 Pro, I did see this option. I'll try to do another comparison as well side by side, but this is overall quick differences friends. And both phones, they do have this kind of option, which is a OSI visual effect option in both phones. I'll try to use that kind of option as well right now. So let me try to quickly compare both phones in terms of the screens by playing video. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to play the same video in both phones. So I cannot see any kind of difference friends, to be frank. Both displays, they do look kind of same to each other, so except the small screen size. Apart from that, I did not notice much of the difference as well. And if you want to notice, you can notice the size of the both screens. So let me try to quickly put side by side. As you can see friends, little bit kind of difference you can see, not much, but just little bit difference is there between both phones. So overall, the punch hole size is also quite similar to each other, so there's nothing much difference in the punch hole as well. Everything is same. As you can see friends, in this kind of complete blue colors, you can actually see both are having the same kind of blue colors and same kind of sunlight effects as well. Same thing is going on in these both phones, not much difference. As you can see friends, if you compare, and make sure to comment below which display you felt the best as well. Sometimes it's really hard for me to decide which display is good and which display is not great, so that is the reason I want your suggestions. So make sure to comment below which display you felt the best as well. As you can see friends, so by playing this sample video, we got a clear idea that you cannot find much differences in terms of the displays. So because both have the same kind of 120Hz and everything is same. So if you want small display, you can go for the Max device, which is a Realme X7 Max. If you want Pro display, you can go for the big display, which is a Pro Realme X7 Pro device. So these are quick differences between both models, Realme X7 Pro and the Realme X7 Max. So thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you're interested in further videos on the Realme X7 Max, so definitely I'll be doing in-depth videos and testings on this phone. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos which I'll be posting very soon. So this is the final conclusion friends, and both are kind of same in my opinion, so there's nothing much difference you're gonna expect in terms of the brightness or colors or saturation levels. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. And one more thing, I just want to test the low brightness, which is kind of really low in terms of the brightness, and both are doing really great in low brightness mode, so not much difference as well. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.